Today we are looking at why the previous day high is the most important level on your chart. Let's look at Nifty on 18th March. Look at this level here, the 23,650 zone. This is our previous day high or PDH. Mark this on your charts because it's about to become our floor for the day. Notice how the price doesn't just crash through the PDH. Look at these lower wicks. These are buying tails. They prove that the old resistance is now acting as a new floor. Checklist time, we touched the level. We got the lower wicks. And finally, we got this strong bullish confirmation candle. This is your high probability entry signal. See how Nifty never looked back once the PDH held? This isn't just for today. You can apply this support or resistance flip to any market. If you found this case study helpful, hit the like button. And that's the power of the PDH level. If you found this case study of 18th March Nifty 50 analysis helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more price action lessons. Please take a moment to read the disclaimer appearing on your screen now. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.